through. Here we are again. Tasty every time getting boba. Hey. Whoa. Can I see your knees? Bunnies on my knees. We're here at the Huntington Beach Dog Park. I wanted to fly my drone, but it's a little too windy, but we'll see how it goes. I'll try it a little bit. For parking here, it's digital. You just swipe your card and then you put how much time you want. I just remember in the old days you put your coins in and then you put how much time you want. You have to run back and put coins in again if your time's running out. But when you're parking, you look for a meter that's still green so you could use the extra 15 minutes or something. But now it's all digital, so if you leave before your time is up, the next person doesn't get your extra 24 minutes. The next person has to pay the full price. That's how they get you. There's treacherous cliff. We got a sock filled with baby powder, and then you just rub it around and it'll take the sand off your feet after the beach, I think. This is the old way to get ketchup. This is the new way to get ketchup. You just spread these wide open and squirt it all in.
Like your cheeks?
Look at this. So you put my finger in between those two slots and you don't even have to touch the thing. It just goes wirelessly, touchless. From kindergarten to 8th grade, I went to this elementary school. And there's a fiesta going on this weekend. So I'm here to support it. First, we gotta get some tickets so we can play some games and eat some food. So close. Kobe. Oh, 1, 2, 1 more. could always just buy the prizes with the tickets, skip the games. Better than the Ace Family Carnival. Just finished with the fiesta and I won a lot of things for my daughter. A lei, a witch sticker, a hair tie, her favorite, the bubbles, this UFO air thing, and a toy bat. We're at El Torito now for the all-you-can-eat breakfast.
Tinier than I am, and I.
We're here in El Torito to celebrate Ed's 60th birthday.
Hello, everybody. Howdy.
What's your goal for this 60th year of life, or this decade of life?
I'm not sure yet. Still working on that.
I think he already achieved his goals.
Oh,
A wonderful wife,
thank you.
a wonderful son, and a wonderful husband.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Panchito. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Weird science.
Thank you. Thank you, Panchito. Vamos.
But they started singing happy birthday. That was about to Foggy one. Wait, hold on.
Say that.